जब मैंने पहली बार iPhone 16 को उठाया मुझे ऑलमोस्ट लगा कि मैंने ये फोन पहले देखा हुआ है. It gives you a sense of deja vu. It looks and feels remarkably familiar, almost like revisiting an old friend. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. This is Apple's cute and affordable iPhone 16e and ये carry करता है with the design language of the iPhone 13 with its compact 6.1-inch OLED display and flat-edged build. ये काफी comfortable है to hold, lightweight भी है and feels reassuringly premium despite being pitched as the affordable iPhone. The ceramic shield glass on the front adds peace of mind, though मुझे लगता है कि केस की जरूरत फिर भी पड़ेगी. What's new though is the shift to USB-C. Finally, it's been a long time coming and it's great to see Apple making the changes across the lineup. अब आपको separate lighting cable रखने की जरूरत नहीं है अपने iPhone के लिए, which simplifies things for anybody already using the USB-C ecosystem. Which let's face it, हम सभी अब USB-C use करते हैं, right? There's also this new action button. A small change है, but one that adds a nice layer of customization. तो आप इसे assign कर सकते हैं to open camera, activate silent mode और trigger a shortcut. It's a very practical addition and ये लेकर आता है काफी सारी personalization आपके फोन में. But before you get too excited, let me tell you, Apple ने cost cutting कहाँ करी है when it comes to the iPhone 16e. iPhone 16e में MagSafe नहीं है and while that may not be a deal breaker for everyone, it does feel like a step back if you've already invested in MagSafe accessories or have grown accustomed to that magnetic snap when charging. But it still supports standard wireless charging without the ecosystem flair. अब बात करते हैं what's under the hood because this is where Apple really surprised me. The iPhone 16e runs on the A18 chip and it's paired with 8 GB of RAM. Connectivity को भी boost मिलता है with the new in-house C1 modem which is designed to improve signal and reliability and battery efficiency. जब से मैं ये यूज कर रही हूँ मैंने नोटिस किया है कि fewer drops है, more consistent coverage है and it also supports satellite messaging in emergencies which is a huge plus for anyone who travels or hikes often. Of course, satellite messaging is not available in India, so that doesn't really make me happy. इसके अंदर you get all the Apple Intelligence features that you see in the iPhone 16. Of course, it misses the camera control button that you see in the 16, but other than that, you get the Image Playground app, you get the writing tool, you also get the visual intelligence. And hey, you also get the action button to customize to anything that you want. Now let's get into the camera. Now here's where things get interesting. Apple has opted for a single 48 megapixel rear sensor this time around, which is a bit unusual when most phones at this price point are going for dual or even triple camera setups. But don't write it off just yet. इसकी जो single lens है, it's quite capable. Images काफी sharp हैं, detailed हैं and color accurate भी हैं. And the 2x lossless zoom it offers is genuinely useful for portraits and closer shots. Still, the lack of an ultra-wide lens does feel like a limitation. You will miss the extra perspective when shooting landscapes, architecture or even group photos. ये एक deal breaker हो सकता है for some and it's something to be aware of, especially if you're someone who likes having more creative flexibility with your photography. On the front आपको मिलता है एक solid 12 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus, same जो आपको मिलता है iPhone 16 में. कोई compromise नहीं किया गया है, video quality भी काफी excellent है as you'd expect from an iPhone. We are testing the camera quality of the iPhone 16e and also the mic. So this is what is recorded on the iPhone 16e and as you can see the video quality is pretty alright. और उस बारे में बात करते हैं जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा इस फोन के अंदर, इसकी बैटरी लाइफ where iPhone 16e punches above its weight. इसके अंदर है 4005 mAh बैटरी and ये ज्यादा long lasting है from the iPhone 16. Okay guys, now let's talk about the pricing. The iPhone 16e starts at 59,900 rupees for the 128 GB model and goes up to 89,900 for the 512 GB. It's positioned as the more affordable iPhone, but let's be honest, affordable in Apple terms is still a premium price in broader smartphone segment, of course. And इस price point पे it's worth to ask कि आप क्या खो रहे हो और आपको क्या मिल रहा है. So if you're someone who values raw performance, great battery life and a solid primary camera without all the bells and whistles, iPhone 16e काफी compelling choice है. But अगर आप used to हैं से MagSafe charging के या फिर more camera versatility के और just expect a bit of more polish, you might want to consider stretching your budget to the standard iPhone 16 or even look at what some Android phones might have to offer in this range. It might just be the right fit. ये जो iPhone 16e है ना, it's a bit of a paradox. Familiar है लेकिन नया है, affordable है लेकिन exactly सस्ता नहीं है, stripped down है but काफी powerful है. ये जो phone है it's not for everyone but for a certain type of user जो upgrade कर रहा है say from an older iPhone या जो पहली बारी iOS ecosystem में आना चाहता है. So for them it might just be the right fit. Personally, I think it's the perfect iPhone for non-demanding users. Think parents or someone जो कि अपना फ़ोन बहुत कम यूज़ करता है या specific purpose के लिए यूज़ करता है, just to text or occasional snaps. You still get a good camera, a very capable processor, and all the latest iOS goodness. Just as important, this phone is very well positioned to last 5 to 6 years of use with ease. तो ये flashy iPhone नहीं है, but काफ़ी practical iPhone है, and sometimes that's all you need. तो आपको iPhone 16 ही कैसा लगा? Let me know in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel because मेरे छोटे चैनल को बढ़ाने के लिए उसकी ज़रूरत है. So subscribe करें, of course notification bell पर रिंग करते हैं ताकि जब मैं next वीडियो पोस्ट करूँ आपको पता चल जाए. And let's make a community here and talk about tech.